It's a really good atmosphere down here. Yeah, it's brilliant.
The lights look amazing tonight.
The light looks really pretty. It's been an amazing evening. The lights have been turned on. Everyone's in high spirits. Christmas is on its way.
Be at home, more or less, here in Portsmouth at Christmas again, to get the chance to do it again this year is just great. I've still got family dotted around the area, Fareham, Gosport and Portsmouth. So it means being here around the Christmas time, it means that I can go and see them wherever, and it means so much to be asked back at the Kings, of course, as well, second year in a row.